A taste of heritage, borscht. This soup is a vibrant celebration of Eastern Europe, a delicious dance of earthy sweetness and tangy delight. Each spoonful is a journey back to family kitchens, filled with warmth and laughter. It's a hug in a bowl. The best part? It can be enjoyed hot or cold, perfect for any season. Borscht is more than just a soup. It's a tradition passed down through generations. Every family has its own unique recipe, a symphony of flavors tweaked to perfection. Today we'll explore a simple yet delicious version of this iconic dish. Creating wonders in the kitchen doesn't require a wand, just fresh ingredients and a dash of passion. Here's what you need. Beets, the stars of our show. Their earthy sweetness defines the borscht. Broth, vegetable or beef, your choice. It forms the base of our flavorful soup. Onions, carrots, and celery, the holy trinity of flavor, adding depth and aroma. Potatoes for a hearty and satisfying texture. Cabbage adds a lovely crunch and a hint of sweetness. Tomatoes, fresh or canned, they bring a touch of acidity and vibrancy. Garlic, bay leaf, peppercorns are secret weapons for an explosion of flavor. Prepare the vegetables. Wash and chop everything. Beets like to stain, so using gloves is a good idea. Sauté the vegetables, heat some oil in a large pot. Add the onions, carrots, and celery. Cook until softened and fragrant. Add the stars, toss in the beets, potatoes, and cabbage. Stir well and let them mingle with the other veggies. Pour in the broth, add your chosen broth and bring it to a boil. Then lower the heat and let it simmer. Add the tomatoes, garlic, bay leaf, and peppercorns. These ingredients add depth and complexity to our borscht. Let everything simmer until the vegetables are tender. Once the vegetables are tender, it's time to serve. Ladle the hot borscht into bowls. Remember the sour cream. A dollop on top adds a creamy contrast to the tangy soup. Want to make it a meal? Serve with crusty bread for dipping. Optional additions. Beans for a hearty, protein-packed borscht. Lemon juice to adjust the acidity to your liking. Fresh dill for a final touch of freshness. Borscht is a versatile dish. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and spices. Enjoy your delicious bowl of homemade borscht.